Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will learn about edge-triggered wiping relay. How we can use the edge-triggered wiping relay in Siemens PLC logo. Let's get started. First of all, I will open my logo soft comfort software, and here we will take two inputs and our next block, that's edge triggered wiping relay. That you can just click and drag it here. And one more, we will take the output to check the status. So just connect this line at the input with the edge triggered block and this at the reset, and this we will connect with our coil, and this we will assign as input, and this we will be I2 we will be assigned for reset, and that block we can decided the rename edge triggered wiping relay, and this we can arrange anywhere. This also we can arrange, and right click and go to the block properties, and here inside this block properties you can see there is a three parameters which you can set. First, what he says, pulse width means how much time for you like to be start the output. I select the minutes. For example, I need 4 minutes or 5 seconds I like to be on, and how much time for you stop time I will take the, for example, 7 seconds or 8 seconds I will take. And here one more have parameters for setting. What he says, number of pulse cycles means how much times you like to be on and off or repeat the cycle. So for example, we will take the 4 times to repeat our function. So click OK, and you can download in the PLC. Here also you can download, and in tools go to the transfer and PC2 logo, also you can transfer, or CTRL plus D also enter. After also you can download the program. So just click it OK, and your program will be downloaded into the PLC. As per seen, our program is ready inside the PLC, and now if you have a physical PLC you can check online monitoring, and if you don't have PLC, so you can check on simulation just only for see the logic. Now this is in the simulation mode. For an example, I click it on I1 means when I give the signal, because of this is the edge triggered. Here you have to be just only give the trigger. See, I give the signal, and after remove the signal you can see our timer is now started. As our set time will be finished, our relay output will be on. And what we decided for off time, yani this is now off, and next cycle is started. Same as for 8 seconds this will be run, and for 4 seconds will be 5 seconds will be stop. You can see now next cycle is running. It will be completed your how much cycles you write in the block, it will be work according the settings. You can see on, and again now time started for off. See, now your time is completed and your block will be stopped functioning. So same, if you like to be checked by online mode, also I will show you in the online mode how it works. Just click it OK, and your online mode is now ready. And now from the hardware I will just give the one signal at the, this is also, you can see the running time here in the online mode also you can see. For an example, remote properties we will go, and for example I need this for 2 seconds on and 2 seconds for off, and this is I need for 5 times. Repeat this cycle, click OK, and again download to the, no need, sorry, again like to download. This program working will be according to this settings. This is the online monitoring. You can set your settings here. Now see, I give the one signal at I1, and now your timer is started. 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. You can see it's continuously 2 seconds on and 2 seconds off. Complete the 5 time cycles. 5 cycles completed, after it will be stop. You can see how 5 counts are completed. But in between this process running, in between the running time, if you give the signal at I2, it will be stopped immediately. For example, again I give the signal at I1. Now our program is running, but I like to be stopped right now, so I give the I2 signal. You can see it will be stopped immediately. So this way you can use this block in your logic, and hope it will be helpful for you. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.